Reducing Test Anxiety for A2 Key, KET, Exams. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects many of us: test anxiety. Specifically, we'll be focusing on strategies to reduce anxiety when taking the A2 Key, KET, exam. We all know that feeling: palms sweaty, heart racing, and our mind drawing a blank. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have some handy tools in your arsenal to combat these nerves. Remember, it's all about preparation and mindset. Firstly, it's important to understand what test anxiety is. Test anxiety is a type of performance anxiety, where one fears they might fail or not perform to their expectations. This fear can hinder performance and make it harder to recall information. It's a completely normal feeling, but it's essential to recognize it and manage it to perform your best. 1. Deep breathing. Take deep breaths in and out. This helps to calm your nervous system and clear your mind. Try breathing in for 4 counts, holding for 4 counts, and exhaling for 4 counts. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help reduce anxiety and keep you alert. Just don't drink too much right before the exam. 3. Good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep the night before the test. A well-rested mind is a sharp mind. 1. Positive affirmations. Remind yourself that you are prepared and capable. Saying phrases like, "I am prepared," or "I got this," can rewire your brain to think positively. 2. Visualization. Imagine yourself succeeding. Visualizing success can help create a positive mindset and reduce anxiety. 3. Break tasks down. Instead of viewing the test as a whole, break it down into smaller tasks. Tackling one question at a time can make the entire test seem more manageable. 1. Familiarize with the test format. Knowing what to expect can reduce surprises and anxiety. Review the format, types of questions, and any example papers beforehand. 2. Arrive early. Rushing can increase anxiety. Arriving with plenty of time lets you settle down and get used to the environment. 3. Stay calm and move on. If you come across a challenging question, don't panic. Take a deep breath, skip it, and come back later if time allows. And there you have it. Test anxiety is natural, but with the right strategies, you can reduce its effects and perform to the best of your ability. Remember, the key is preparation and mindset. We hope these tips serve you well in your A2 Key, KET, exam and any future tests you might face. Best of luck, and happy learning!